You are now locked into the latest and the greatest on the Android system. This is the channel that gives you information every day in every way possible. Make sure you go ahead and you hit the like button on your way in. Hit the bell as well, subscribe, and become a member of the family. Check out the full catalog of videos that I made just for you. It's your boy Serrano, and I'll see you right after this. Peace. I put my order in for the Uwatch from UMIDIGI on December 1st. It actually came in December 26th, which is actually today. And I was really waiting for it to come in because I had broke my older smartwatch. Now you can see the Uwatch does come in 3 different colors. The one I have is the Milanese Black. It also comes in Sport Black and Sport Red. And the one on the cover right here is the Sport Red. You can see the box is actually pretty premium, and there is a nice experience here when taking a look at the packaging. Now let's go ahead and scan the code for the QR so we can actually pair it with the application that's going to be needed. We're going to be able to get all our notifications with this application called The Fit. So basically all you have to do is install it right after that. It's going to be really lightweight and it doesn't take that much time. So once you get that started, just go ahead, open up the box. Now right here, you're greeted with a really nice packaging here. Right here, you got the tilt-it to get the watch out. Just take off that top cover and there you go. Let's go ahead and read some specifications of the UMIDIGI Uwatch. Now, it does have the Nordic chip, which is 52832. Approximate standby time is 25 days. You can see right here, it does come with a nice little strap on it, which is actually really premium and fashionable. Now, it does have display the time, display reject calls, view messages, lift wrist to view, goal reminder alert, vibrating alarm, step counter, sleep monitor, heart rate monitor, weather forecast, goal setting, app notifications, and much more. So you can see that fit is customizable on your wrist with that magnet, and the theme here is magnets. They actually have a charger which you can actually attach to the back of the Uwatch with a magnet, and that nice premium design with that magnet lets you customize the fit to your personal preference. So if you want it a little bit tighter, a little bit loose, you could definitely do that. And definitely felt like a comfortable strap. It wasn't irritating my wrist or anything like that. It definitely felt really lightweight on my arm. And right here you can see the pamphlet does come in a variety of different languages. So the first couple pages will be English, but right here you can see it does come with that cord that we're going to need to charge it, which is exclusive for this watch. Now you're going to see the magnets on the end of it. You're going to have to pair to the back of the smartwatch, and you're going to have to align it in the right direction. So here you can see we're going to go ahead, place that on there, and it actually draws toward the magnet charge and finds it with the magnet, and that's pretty cool. Now the screen size is actually 1.33 inches large, full metal unibody, 2.5 curved tempered screen, a smart bracelet, custom wallpaper support. You're also getting a powerful chipset with that Nordic chip and smart sport modes with a 180 millihour battery. And that battery says it's going to give you 7 to 10 days without charging it. So that's actually pretty impressive. We're going to put that to the test. And you can see it does come with that heart monitor, the training mode, the message mode where you can check your notifications, the audio player, the home screen, and here you can see the watch faces. So it actually comes with 3 different themes, which is pretty cool. It's also scratch proof, which is definitely dope. You can actually wear it in the shower, but not in a pool underneath water. Unless you want to damage it, of course. but it actually is weatherproof, so if a little bit of rain or just wearing it in the shower is pretty suitable. Also, you do get this shutter mode remotely, just like the Galaxy Note 9 series, but with your watch, not your pen. So that's actually a pretty cool feature and a nice little special touch. Now, your Uwatch does have a host here on the website. It does say you can customize the wallpaper as you want. Just upload your favorite photo from your phone and it's easy to set up. You also see here you do get a variety of sport modes, which is definitely going to come in handy when I have to lose this 15 pounds from over the holiday that I'm building up. So definitely will use this in the gym, in the weight room, and doing extreme activities like mountain climbing, anything you want, anything outdoors. So it's suitable for pretty much any environment because of the water resistancy. However, you just don't want to leave it underwater. It takes 3 hours of charging time, 25 days of standby time, and 7 days of usage, which is pretty cool. And my favorite feature, because I hate plugging up devices to the wall all the time. Now you can see here, if you don't actually align the charger correctly, you can feel the negative magnet, but once you pair it up correctly, you're going to see that the magnet actually pulls it right on in. Now look at the display of how it looks when it's charging. It's actually pretty cool, and you can see that iconography on the front. You can see the application that we're going to pair it with on the left, and here you can see the notifications you're getting when you switch the songs from Spotify. So every single time you push that button to change the song, your smartwatch will light up and display what artist is on your actual Uwatch, which is definitely pretty cool and a really cool feature for the price. Now that strap is one of the most premium looking watch straps I've ever seen for this price point. Stainless steel, and you can see it just drapes right over the box like a piece of paper, but it's actually as durable as any of the toughest metals you can find in the stainless steel department. And actually has that carbon fiber look. You can see it actually glitters and shines a little bit. Very masculine and very, very cool for a gift for Christmas, but you actually missed out, so just go ahead and get one for yourself. Now you can see right here there's a ton of different options right here, and you can actually adjust them to your personal preference. They got quick view, weather. You can set up the city by just typing it in and press enter, and it's going to actually set you up with the weather whenever you want. So I thought this thing was actually pretty cool for the first impressions, and when I went onto the website, they actually took $5 off, and I got it for $19.99. It's actually $25, which is still not bad from the seller I got it from. Put a comment in the description section down below if you would like me to leave a link for the Uwatch. Now here are some other features that come along with it, and you can see here you can control all the notifications, which is actually pretty cool. You could also go to the bottom and customize, so every single notification from your smartphone will come into the watch, even the Google activity feed and Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all your social media and everything from the emails. Now the feature to actually wake it up is a little bit gimmicky, but for the price point, I wasn't complaining whatsoever. It was actually still impressive. And just with 2 tries, tops, I was able to get it to wake every single time. Now you can see you do get that settings menu that you can customize, and it just has a ton of really cool features implemented nicely. So right here you can see just a simple gesture of moving your wrist and you're ready to go. It's able to track your activity. You could already see I took 10 steps just to test it to see if it was actually on point. And it actually paired up with the watch. So you're going to be able to track all that stuff, heart rate. I actually was able to check my heart rate and everything like that. Also, you were able to change songs from the watch and control the phone, or the vice versa, have the phone control the watch. So right here, you know, it's really simple, really easy to use, and it was really like, you know, I was James Bond right here. Definitely felt pretty cool. I had a smartwatch before in the past, but this one just seems really intuitive and more powerful. So for the price point, I would pretty much recommend it. You can't go wrong. And you know, just controlling the ability to control your music, check your notifications, everything like that. It basically was built into your lifestyle. For people like you and me who are really busy and we don't have a lot of time to look at our phone every single time we hear it vibrate, with this flip of a wrist, you can actually just go right ahead and check out what's going on. Right here, we're going to go ahead and send a text message to it and just see what those notifications come up like. So there you're seeing the text message come up for the very first time, and that is actually pretty cool. So right here, we're just like testing a lot of the features, and I'm really liking this thing. What do you guys think about the Uwatch from UMIDIGI? As always, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, hit the bell as well. Check out the full catalog of videos I made just for you. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, have a great night. Peace. See you in the next one.